In this video, we're going to talk about captive dependencies. Captive dependencies refer to a situation where a long-lived service, example a singleton, depends upon a short-lived service, example scoped. This is a misconfiguration of service lifetimes. If a singleton captures a scoped service, it could end up using a disposed instance or sharing it across requests, which breaks the expected behavior, leading to bugs. Back to our solution. In the simple book catalog service collection extensions class, I have commented out the service registration for Dapper book repository because we no longer need that. And I have used add singleton for the book service registration. But the iBook repository implementation is still registered using the scoped lifetime, so it is expected to live only within the context of a single request. However, since book service is a singleton and depends on an iBook repository implementation, it captures that dependency when it is constructed. As a result, the iBook repository instance ends up living for as long as the book service instance, effectively extending its lifetime beyond the intended scope. So we say the book repository dependency is a captive dependency. In the next video, we will see how to create scopes manually.